Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special story for you. It's about a mother's love, a love that is pure, selfless and never-ending. This story is simple and full of emotions, perfect for English learners and for anyone who loves heart-touching stories. So sit back, relax and let's begin. In a small peaceful village, there lived a woman named Sita and her little son Arjun. Sita was a single mother, and for her, Arjun was the reason she smiled every day. Life was not easy for them. Sita worked hard in the fields, carried heavy loads of firewood, and even sold vegetables in the market just to earn enough for her son's education. Every morning, before the sun rose, Sita would wake Arjun gently. "Wake up, my little star," she would whisper. Arjun would rub his sleepy eyes and smile. "Good morning, Ma." They would have a simple breakfast of roti and milk, and then Sita would walk him to the school gate. She never missed a single day. Arjun loved school, but he noticed something. All his friends had nice school bags, good shoes, and fancy lunch boxes. He had none of those things. One day he asked Sita, "Ma, why don't I have a new bag like others?" Sita smiled softly and said, "My son, one day I will get you the best school bag in the whole village. But for now, let us focus on your studies." A wise man once said, "Education is the key that opens every door." Her words stayed in Arjun's heart. Months passed. Sita worked harder than ever, saving every coin she could. Some nights, she ate very little so that Arjun could have enough food. She never complained, never let him see her tired face. Then came the school's annual day. There was a prize for the best student of the year, and Arjun had worked very hard. When the teacher called his name, he walked on stage, nervous but happy. The teacher handed him a shiny certificate and said, "Arjun is one of the most hardworking and kind students we have." The whole crowd clapped. But when Arjun looked around, his mother was not there. She was usually the first one to come. He felt sad. Later that evening, he ran home holding his certificate. Ma, I got the prize." But when he entered, he saw his mother lying on the floor. She had fainted from exhaustion. Arjun dropped the certificate and ran to her side. "Ma, please wake up." After a while, Sita slowly opened her eyes. She saw the worry on Arjun's face and weakly smiled. "Why are you crying, my son?" Arjun held her hand tightly. "I don't want a new bag or new shoes. I just want you to be healthy, Ma." Tears rolled down Sita's cheeks. She hugged him close and said, "I am fine, my son. I just worked a little too hard today." From that day, Arjun decided something. He would study so hard that one day his mother would never have to work again. Years passed. Arjun grew into a bright young man. He got a scholarship for college, studied day and night, and became an engineer. When he received his first salary, he didn't buy anything for himself. Instead, he bought a beautiful sari and a new pair of slippers for his mother. When he gave it to her, Sita's eyes filled with tears. "You didn't need to do this, my son," she said. "Yes, Ma," Arjun smiled. "I had to. You sacrificed everything for me. Now it's my turn to take care of you." That night, Sita sat silently on the veranda, looking at the stars. She remembered the days she had gone hungry so her son could eat, the nights she stayed awake sewing clothes for money, and the mornings when she carried heavy loads on her back. All that pain, all those struggles, now felt worth it. Because sitting beside her was her son, successful, kind, and full of love. She held his hand and whispered, "You are my greatest prize, Arjun." Arjun rested his head on her lap and said softly, "And you are my first teacher, Ma. Whatever I am today, it is because of you." The night breeze carried their laughter, and the little house seemed to shine under the moonlight. A mother's love had turned every tear into a blessing, every struggle into a story of strength. And that, my friends, was the story of Sita and Arjun. A reminder that a mother's love is the most powerful force in the world. If you like this heart-touching story, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful and simple stories like this. See you in the next video.